Namaste. Welcome to Watch and Learn Hindi. In today's video, you are not just going to listen to me. You are going to be an active participant because we are going to build Hindi sentences together. I will provide you with all the building blocks, that is the Hindi words, their meanings, their pronunciation. And I will tell you how to put them together to make meaningful Hindi sentences. In addition, I will tell you small tips and tricks that you can use to become fluent in Hindi. But before we start, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and after this video you can explore the channel and check out my other videos. If you have already subscribed, thank you. And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get notifications when a new video is posted. To support the channel, you can either buy me a coffee, the link is in the description, or buy a Superthanks, which you can find on your screen right below this video. And don't forget to like this video. Let's start. The first thing I want to talk to you about is that the sentence construction in English and Hindi is slightly different. English sentences usually have subject, verb, object, SVO, whereas in Hindi, it is generally subject, object, verb, SOV. You don't have to dwell on this, but it is something to keep in mind. Okay, let's start building. In this video, we are going to make Hindi sentences that are questions. More specifically, where is your name of the object kind of questions. First individually and then combine them to make them more complicated questions. But first, we are going to learn few words to do that. Where is kahan. Is in Hindi hai. You can be aap, tum or tu. There are three words in Hindi for you. And you can learn more about them, how to use them, when to use them in my video Tips for Better Hindi Conversation, the You Conundrum. But for simplicity, in this video, we are just going to use aap for you. And since we are using aap for you, your becomes aapka or aapki. If we were using tum or tu, it would have been different. But let's stick with aap. Your will be aapka or aapki. And there are two words because aapka is masculine and aapki is feminine. And I'm going to talk more about that when we are building the sentences. Again, four words that we need to know are where, kahan, is, hai, you, aap, your, aapka or aapki. In English, when we are asking this question, it is where is your and then name of the object or the thing that you want to ask about. As I said before, sentence construction in Hindi is slightly different. So, when we ask the same question in Hindi, it will be aapka or aapki, depending on the gender, name of the thing or object, kahan, hai. So, the sentence construction is more like your, name of the thing, where, is. Let's look at a sentence now. Where is your home? Now, home in Hindi is ghar. Home in Hindi is ghar and its gender is masculine. So, we will use the word aapka. So, here notice that we are talking about the gender of the thing we are asking question about. It's not about the gender of the person who's asking the question or answering the question. It's about the thing. And since here home, which is ghar in Hindi, has masculine gender, we will use the word aapka for your. So this is what you should get. आपका घर कहाँ है? आपका is your, घर is home, which is masculine, and that's why we used आपका. कहाँ है? आपका घर कहाँ है? Where is your home? Let's try another one. Where is your food? Now, food in Hindi is khana and again has a masculine gender. So now you know, in this case also, we will be using aapka for your. And here I have put all four words, the building blocks for this question. Where, kahan, is, hai, your, aapka, in this case, food, khana. If you want to pause the video while you make up the sentence and then check if you got this. आपका खाना कहाँ है? आपका is your, and we are using आपका because खाना, it has a masculine gender. कहाँ है? आपका खाना कहाँ है? Where is your food? What about if you want to ask where is your tea? Now tea in Hindi is chai, which has feminine gender. And by now you must know that we will use aapki in this case. And again, here are all the building blocks for where is, your, and tea. Again, if you want to pause the video, you can pause the video before you make the sentence and see if you got this. Aapki chai kahan hai? Aapki because chai is feminine. Kahan hai? Aapki chai kahan hai? Where is your tea? Let's try one more. Where is your watch? Watch in Hindi is ghadi, which again has feminine gender. Did you get this? आपकी घड़ी कहाँ है? आपकी घड़ी कहाँ है? Where is your watch? Now here you have noticed that we have to figure out whether to use aapka or aapki depending on the gender of the thing we are asking question about. In Hindi, that is one of the difficult things because everything in Hindi is assigned a gender, even the inanimate objects as you watched till now. For that, I have made a video where I give 50 examples of everyday objects. I tell you what their gender is and how to use them in sentences. The good thing is that the gender of the things are fixed. So chai is always feminine, ghar is always masculine. So once you learn them, you can use them in any sentences and the gender stays the same. The link for this video is in the description so that you can take examples from this video and make different questions for your practice. The more you practice, the more comfortable you will feel remembering the gender of any particular object. So you can make sentences like, where is your chair? Where is your room? Where is your key? And so on and so forth. Okay, so now we have learned how to ask a question about where is your one of the things like room or key or book. But what if we want to ask about more than one thing in one sentence? And for that, we will have to learn one more word, and, which in Hindi is or. It sounds exactly like the English or, but means and. Or. Okay, so now let's ask about two things in one sentence. Where is your watch and key? The first thing to look at is what is the gender of each of the things. Watch you already know has feminine gender, it's called ghadi. Key in Hindi is called chabi, which again is feminine. So this is easy because you know that with feminine gender, you use the word aapki for your. So it is aapki, ghadi or चाबी कहाँ है? आपकी घड़ी और चाबी कहाँ है? Where is your watch and key? Easy? Let's look at more complicated one. Where is your food and tea? Now food, you know, is masculine, but tea is feminine. So how do you decide? You decide on the basis of the first thing you're asking about. In this case, you are asking about food first. We are saying food and tea. So you will go with the masculine version of your in Hindi. And you will say, आपका खाना और चाय कहाँ है? आपका, because food has masculine gender. And then you use the word or to connect the two words and say, आपका खाना और चाय कहाँ है? आपका खाना और चाय कहाँ है? Where is your food and tea? And what happens if we reverse the sequence? And if we say, where is your tea and food? In this case, again, you know, tea is feminine, food is masculine, but tea is the first word. So we are going to go with the gender of tea, which is feminine. So we use the word आपकी. आपकी चाय और खाना कहाँ है? आपकी चाय और खाना कहाँ है? Where is your tea and food? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and really learned how to ask this question, whether for one thing or multiple things in a sentence. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know about your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification when new videos are posted.